Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix your Facebook ads payment issues. So guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video and share so that other people can benefit from this video. So let's get started. All you need to do is to come to your browser and then type in Facebook Meta for Business, and then hit enter, and then I'm going to click on this first link which says Meta for small businesses to run ads on Meta products. I'm just going to click on this. If I want to log out of this account and then change to another existing account, all I need to do is to click on this and then log out of Facebook. So I'm going to click on Start Now. You can also click on this button called Get Started. So here we have our Facebook Meta Business Suite dashboard, which contains literally everything you need to know about running ads on Facebook and so on. So we have create posts, create ads, create reels, create story, and then go live. So the first thing I'm going to do is to first of all select an account I want to manage. So here I have an account already which is called Whitevon Digital. And then if I don't want to work on this account, I can select other of my business accounts which I have on this dashboard. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on settings, and then under settings I'm going to click on billings and payments. It says loading billing and payments. This may take a little while. So here we have our ads interface which says no ad account. All your ad account will appear here. So I'm not using this account to run an ads. I'm just going to select my personal profile which I'm using to run ads. I'm going to select this. It says 3 business assets. I'm just going to select this, my account. It shows that I've actually been using this account to run ads. So to be able to run an ad successfully on Facebook, you must add money to your prepaid funds, guys. So here it says how will you pay. It says prepaid fund. We will deduct funds about once a day when you run ads. If funds run out, your ads will be paused. So here I have daily spending limit set by Meta of 103,396.53 naira, and then it says your projected spend today is within this limit. I've literally not run an ads, so currently now I have 45.03 naira as a balance. So guys, you have 2 options. You can either add payment options so that whenever you want to run an ads, so guys, you can either select these 2 options to run an ads immediately. You can either decide to add a payment method. Adding a payment method shows that whenever you want to run ads, because you had linked your ATM, money will be automatically deducted from your account. So I'm going to advise you, before you go for this option which is add payment method, it's advisable you use a dollar card to link your payment method, because recently Facebook tends to reject our Nigeria cards to make payment because of security reasons and so on. So if you are adding a payment method, make sure you are using either a dollar card or you are using an international payment card to link your card. And then here we have add payment method. We have debit or credit card, which you have to use a dollar card or use an international payment card that actually accepts dollar and so on to link this your debit or credit card. But actually using a Nigeria card, even if you're using a MasterCard, sometimes it's going to decline your payment. But my advice is that if you are actually going to make payment for a Facebook ad, it's advisable you use your Naira payment with MasterCard or Visa card, which definitely accepts payments in Naira, or you use pay by USSD. So I'm going to show you how you can use this pay by USSD, which is much more simpler. All you need to do is to select the bank you want to pay with, and then a code will be generated which you are going to use to make that payment on Facebook. So if you want to add a payment method, you can just proceed by clicking on next, and then advisably you use a dollar card and so on if you're in Nigeria. So I'm just going to click on this X, and then I'm going to click on add funds. Let's say for instance I want to pay this amount, which is 4,572.52. all I need to do is to click on pay by USSD. This is more effective, and then it's going to solve the issue of you having payments decline and so on your ads. And then after that you click on next. So this interface pops up. It says pay with USSD, amount 4,572.52. All I need to do is to select a bank, and we have all the Nigeria banks listed, all I need to do is to select, for instance, United Bank of Africa. So after selecting a bank, which is United Bank for Africa, I'll just put in my mobile number which is attached to that bank and then click on continue. So automatically it's going to generate a code which I'm going to dial using that mobile number. So it says pay with USSD amount, this amount, and then it says dial USSD code using mobile to complete your transaction. So this code will be dialed, and after you've dialed this code and then you've made this payment, which is 4,572.52, automatically this place loads and tells you that your payment have been successful. So guys, it's so easy to make payment right now on Facebook because we now have 3 payments option. If you're having issue paying with card or debit card, you can also try the pay you option, and if you're having issues paying with the pay you option, definitely the bank transfer will not fail you. So I'm just going to click on this X. So guys, this is basically how to add funds to your Facebook ads. So guys, in case you're having ads issue or your payment have always been declined or your account has been banned and so on, and you want these issues to be fixed, all you need to do is to go to the comment section and then type in fix my ad, or check the description and then click on the link on the description. You are going to see a contact or a WhatsApp link on the description. Click on that link and then type fix my ad and then share what you're experiencing, and then your ads account will be fixed. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. See you guys in my next video.